Yo, what is up, flippers? I have a very exciting unboxing video for you all today. Right here I have a package from BBbarfly, and so we're going to be opening up here and taking a look at what we got inside. So don't look at that. Alright, let's see. Let's take a look inside here. Okay. Very nice. So we have a green BBbarfly bottle opener as well as a red BBbarfly opener. That is really cool for reasons you'll see in just a second. Alright, so in the box you get another box nicely wrapped in some plastic, kind of bubble wrap-ish. Let's take that out, and we have our very nice BBbarfly box right here. Very nice. Let's go ahead and look inside. Okay, so first things you get is a business card, it looks like. BBbarfly has all their handles and everything. That's really cool. We get a BBbarfly sticker. A little unfortunate. I know they only have this one design for like stickers and stuff, but I did ask for some extra stickers and I only got one. Not a big deal, but that's something I do like to do with every company and see what they respond with. Okay, so yeah, that's all we got in the box. We got another little bubble wrap here, which is very nice. Keep our Balisong as nice as possible. So we have a generic little felt pouch here. I thought they did have the BBbarfly logo on their pouch, but I guess not. That's kind of it's a little unfortunate. Alright, so let's get ready for the unveiling here. I'm gonna grab it by the tang. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow. Look at that handle gap. Oh my gosh. Look at how thick that is. I knew that this was a thick boy, but definitely thicker than I thought it was going to be. You know, I kind of thought it was going to be about the same size as like the Kraken handles, but this is definitely thicker. This feels really sticky for some reason. I don't really. I'm gonna just try to fan it, but it does feel sticky, so I feel like it might not swing freely. But yeah, let's give it a shot here. First flips with the BBFirefly. Okay. Whoa. What? This feels really weird. Really, like, what's the word for it? First thing I'm noticing is the weight. I've definitely been flipping on the lighter side of Balisongs recently. So the first thing I do notice is it's pretty hefty. You are swinging quite a bit of weight around. I can actually Okay, so very, very, very interesting flipping feel here from the Firefly. It is really unique, I will say that. From what I've flipped, I don't think I can really like compare this to anything really. Okay, looks like a decent amount of swing. Looks like it's swinging freely. However, like when I'm flipping, it does feel like it is getting caught and not fully freely swinging. Yeah, it just feels like it's not fully freely swinging right now whenever I'm flipping it. Yeah. I guess I should add some lube, maybe? I mean, this thing has to come with some lube, right? Oh yeah, there's lube in there. Wait, is there lube? What is this? Is that lube? Or is that just dirt? It's probably both, but... Ew, bro. What the fuck? Bro, this smells like... Smells like burnt, like... Smells like something got burnt to a crisp, honestly. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so I definitely should have, like, flipped this. I mean, looked at this before I started flipping. If you look right up in there, do you see that? That's like where they pressed out some of the material and it's still stuck up in there. Okay, so I will say this. I don't know if this will come out in camera, but inside it is super dirty. There's just little bits of like aluminum that were milled out, like little like sawdust bits, all up and down in there. So that's really not cool. That's really not something I want in my Balisong the first day, 5 minutes, whatever, first time I pick it up and flip it. That's pretty not cool. Again, what the hell happened up here in the pivots? It literally smells like burnt rubber and like a car crash and like blew up. Like what? Yeah, what do I think about this overall? First impressions. It's a pretty fun flipper. Definitely on the heavier side. Let's go ahead and actually weigh this right now. Wow. Whoa. I'm really blown away by that. What? No. This feels heavier. This feels heavier than this. That's kind of crazy. How and why does this feel heavier? I don't understand that. So yeah, that's really weird. This honestly does feel like heavier than first drop. Excuse me. So yeah, this is really weird. This feels like heavier than 5 ounces for some reason. I don't know how or why that is, but this feels like hefty, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. Again, I've been flipping really light Balisongs recently, so Yeah, this is actually really solid and really fun to flip. Fans really nicely. Ah. Yeah, for some reason the pivots are definitely not like, they do freely swing, but I think what's happening is like as soon as I turn it to the side, it gets completely caught and slows it down. Yeah, it's very interesting for sure. Is this worth $200? Because yes, that is what I paid for it. I'm kind of an idiot. I should have just got the solid color handles, but I wanted to be special and get the red and green handles here. Add a little bit of character to the Firefly here. So is this worth $200? Yeah, definitely. I guess so, yeah. I mean, it's definitely unique. It's definitely not going to be similar to any of your other Balisongs, really, I would say. Oh, second drop. Dang. Yeah, I would say this isn't really going to feel close to any of your other Balisongs, but it is a unique flipping experience, which I always like. Definitely super fun. I haven't ever flipped a BBbarfly product ever before, so I do imagine this is what a lot of their other products feel like, kind of like hefty and kind of a little slow and like it's a little harder to throw around just because of like the extra heft and weight to it. So this, even though I've never flipped a BBbarfly product, this feels really on brand with how they look like they flip, I guess. So yeah, this is really cool.